Napag-isip-isip mo ba ang buhay mo? Bakit ka inilagay sa mundong ito? Kung saan ka nang galing, kung saan ang patutunguhan, may dahilan ka. Kaya ang iyong gagawin, pagpapatuloy ba ang iyong mga gawain? Kung magbabago ka ay simulan na ngayon, tutulungan ka ng
Almighty Father, hope of all the earth, hear my humble prayer. You are my God, I thank you. My God, I praise you. Grant that I may progress today in your love, as I do good turn for others and live the goods thou promised and love. Give me the joy of your help, that I may have the courage, strength, and grace to meet life's challenges. A pure heart create for me, and I pour out your Spirit on me, that I may discover my fullest potential, so that I may be of